5 top cryptocurrencies to buy in 2022. Who doesn't need cryptocurrency now? Cryptocurrency is now very necessary for various global business transactions. But now, there are thousands of cryptocurrencies in the market. It is very tough which one you will choose. There is a massive hype around cryptocurrency right now, but you have to decide which one you buy to meet your needs. We will inform you about the top 5 cryptocurrencies of 2022 based on various information from different sources. Bitcoin. When talking about cryptocurrency, the first name that comes to mind is Bitcoin. Actually, Bitcoin is the first digital currency and original cryptocurrency. Currently, a single Bitcoin's price is around $19,400. That's a growth of more than 3,780%. And as of June 2022, $370 billion are Bitcoin's current market cap. Ethereum. Ethereum runs on a blockchain platform. It is now known as one of the most valuable blockchains. Program developers like Ethereum most because of its potential application. Ethereum has also experienced remarkable growth. As of July 2022, its current price is $1,057, increasing almost 9,509%. Solana. Solana is believed as one of the fastest growing smart contract platforms. Like many other cryptocurrencies, Solana token prices are currently high discounted, trading more than 85% below their all-time high. Due to Solana token's resilience, it is considered to be the most promising top crypto of the future. Cardano. Cardano is another popular cryptocurrency to invest in for the long term. Cardano is faster, cheaper, and more energy efficient. Cardano works like Ethereum to enable decentralized applications and smart contracts, which are powered by its native coin ADA. Polkadot. Polkadot has become one of the choosable options for long-term cryptocurrencies to buy since its starting time in 2020. It currently has a fantastic market cap over $7.52 billion. You can connect various independent blockchains into a single unified network and create new chains by Polkadot. The integration provides access to the users to the network's proof of stake, validation of security, and transactions. Basically, cryptocurrencies are a form of digital currencies without a central management system, such as government. Anyone can buy goods or services using cryptocurrencies, but currently, many people treat it as one of the best options for long-term investment. So, if you love this video, please like the video and subscribe our channel for more video updates.